Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna talk about this cutie right here that I bought back in 2019. It's a Canon Vixia Handycam or camcorder, model HF R800 HD. It's a 32 times optical zoom, 57 times advanced zoom with optical image stabilizer. It's a very beautiful camera. Actually, it's one of the best for the money I bought it back then. But now, it's very funny that I haven't found this camera with the same price I bought it in 2019. I bought it for around $200-something from Best Buy. And now this camera goes for $300, $400, and I saw in some places on Amazon, even $500. This is a little bit crazy. But hey, it's a great budget camera if you can find it still with the price that I bought it back then. I will show you some shots that this camera captured, and you let me know, how do you think this camera holds in 2022? Right after I show you the physical buttons and ports featured on this camera. Let's start with the microphone input and the audio and video out port, HDMI out or mini HDMI out, USB to connect with your computer to transfer files, play button or playback button, on and off button, and a small port there for the SD card. And on the other side, next to the battery, you'll find the charger port. I have here the big battery they have, the extra large. They have another one, a smaller battery, if I'm not wrong. On top of the camera, there is the zoom in and out button. There's the microphones on the front. There's a lid button to close and open the lid on the front of the camera, which is a physical button, and I always appreciate that. With that said, let's roll the footage filmed from this camera.